How you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Door. We're going to show you the wood tone collection of Hormann. And what we did here is we put a 48-inch adder. You got your spring bumpers in the back, right there. Springs all the way up to the ceiling. And of course well, you know what that is. There she goes. Yes, we can get it this quiet for you. It is that quiet. Goes up beautifully. This thing balances like a dream. Hormann garage doors, just totally balanced, sweet. And go over here to the outside and we'll show you the wood tone look. There's the badge. And there we go. Wood tone look, long panel from Hormann Garage Doors. Give us a call, 630-271-9343. 9343. Your one-stop garage door shop. Thanks for watching.